Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn one of the most powerful function in Excel, that is XLOOKUP. XLOOKUP function is available in Excel for Microsoft 365, Excel 2021 and newer Excel 2024 version. It is not available in older version like Excel 2019, 2016 or earlier. No need to worry. If you want to use XLOOKUP, you can download this WPS Studio. This one, WPS Office Studio, whatever you say, it is okay. And it is both available in Mac as well as in Windows, and it is free to use. Like, it is kind of paid, but most of the features, 90% of the features are free to use, so you can use it, and we will learn XLOOKUP in this. So first thing first, if you have used VLOOKUP before, this function will feel like a magic trick because it's faster, more flexible in what sense? In sense of vertical as well as horizontal filtration, and it is way easy to use. So first let's go for the theoretical part. Exactly what is XLOOKUP? XLOOKUP is used to search for a video in one column and return a related value from another column. Unlike VLOOKUP, it works both left to right and right to left, which means no more limitation of columns order, right? So first thing first, as we always do, we will look at the basic syntax. So the syntax goes here. It is like equal to, just a minute, yeah, simple. You have to write X lookup, open parenthesis. You have to write the lookup value. Let me write it on small letter. Lookup value. So what does lookup value do? The value you want to find, simple. Then you have to write the lookup array. What is lookup array? Where you want to search, right? I mean the range of table, or this table range, like the place where you want to search, or from where the, I mean the table that you have selected, where do you want to search the lookup value. That's the thing. Then you have to write the return array. What does return array do? From where you want the answer, that is this. Then the fourth part is if not found. What does if not found do? Like, what to show if value does not exist? We will see this in practical way. No need to worry about. Just look at this theoretical part. Practical way will be shown from this table only. No worries for that. Then we will look at the match mode. What is match mode? Like, is it exact? Is it approximate? Or is it kind of a wild card kind of thing? Then the last part is search mode. Search mode, ठीक है? Search mode, what does it do? It will search from top to bottom or bottom to top, like this. And this is the actual syntax for our X lookup, right? So let's close the parenthesis here, and that's it. Let's do it. Yeah. So first thing first, this is the theoretical part, and this is the data set. This data set will be available to you in my Google Drive link. I mean, I will full upload the Excel sheet into my Google Drive, so download it from there. No need to pause the video and write it and practice. Just download it. Easy. See, first we will look at the basic example, like simple lookup. What we say? Suppose I want to find the name of employee with employee ID 104. Come on, like, let's see how to find out. Like, details for ID 104. ठीक है? What to do? Like, what to find in this? Let's see. It will be like equal to X lookup, open parenthesis. Then you have to give the lookup value. Lookup value is 104. ठीक है? Then you have to give the lookup array. ठीक है? मतलब where is this value present? So this value present in this column, that means this array, simple. And where do we find the return value? Like in which column do we find the return value? It will be in return array. So simple, we find it here. This is the return array we will find. That's it. And we will close the parenthesis. And let me tell you, this thing, if not found, match mode, search mode, these are kind of optional. If you want, you can give. If not, no worries for that. Just click enter. See, we found Ankit. Why? 104 is Ankit. Simple. If you want, you can find the department of it by selecting this department wala return array. If you want salary, then you can select the salary column for the return array. Okay? This is the first example. Now we we see the use of this if not found kind of thing. Like what is the use of it? Like we have written it, we have to see it in practical. So that's the thing. So let's see details for ID 110. Suppose let's do this details for ID 110. Okay, let's do this. So it is X lookup, open what happened here, open parenthesis, lookup value 110 and lookup array. So lookup array will obviously be here, no doubt it will be from here only. Then return array will be from here. We want to just find the name. If not found, we will write no records. No records. That's it. Just enter. See here what we have received. We have received no records here. Why? Because in this lookup value, in this lookup array, we cannot find ID 110. So when we won't be able to find the ID 110, it will give you the message what it is written here in if not found. That's it. Right now we will see reverse search. Like reverse search is kind of thing which VLOOKUP cannot do. Let's say I want to find the last employee in the IT department. Suppose last employee in the IT department. Let's see what do we get. Let's write here and let's do it here for some, yeah, last employee in IT department. Let's see what do we get. So it is simple. You have to write equal to X lookup, right? You have to give the lookup value. Lookup value will be IT. Okay? I mean last employee. We will see. In this, we know that first employee is Suresh, second employee is Ankit, and second employee is the last employee in IT department. Okay? That is the thing. Simple. So lookup value, where do we get the lookup value? Here. Lookup value is department and department is present in this column. So lookup array we have to give. Return array, what do we want in return? We want the name. So name is in what array? It's in this one. Simple. Then we will write if not found. If not found, what? Oh, what happened? If not found, what we have to write? No records. Suppose if we do not found anything. Suppose, right? Then we have to write this, any of this. 0 for exact match. I mean the match mode. -1 for exact match or next smaller to it. 1 is exact match or next larger to it. Second is wild card character match. Like I have told you, match mode mein wild card is also there. So we don't need anything. We just need the exact match. That's it. And now see, search mode is there. Search mode in what sense? What sense? Search from the first. Search from the last item to the first. That is like if you click one, it will give you the first value in IT, like in first we have Suresh. See, if I write here, Suresh will come. -1, search from the last item to the first. From the last item, Ankit is the last item. So -1, if I write here, we will get Ankit. Second is binary search, sorted in ascending order. Ascending is Ankit, Suresh, like this kind of thing, because Ankit ka, I mean, letters you see A and KIT. -2, binary search, sorted in descending. But let's see what do we get. If we write -1, as I have told, we want to find the last value, we will get Ankit. Let's see from others' point of view. Suppose I write 1, search from the first, we will get Suresh. Okay. Let's see what do we get if we write 2, ascending order. Ascending order Ankit. ठीक है? Because ascending is what? छोटे से बड़ा, smaller to large. तो अंकित का जितने letters हैं, it is 5. That's why. 1 2 3 4 5. That's why. And right now for descending, it is -2. ठीक है? No records. It is showing no records because there is a reason behind it. Like we know it is the -2 and 2 is related to binary search. And for -2 to work correctly, your lookup array must already be sorted in descending order. If not sorted, the result will be unreliable, wrong, sometimes #NA, sometimes a wrong match. And this column is not sorted in descending order. Which column? This one. The department column is not sorted properly. It is sorted in random way. So the result will be unpredictable. But if you sort this department wala column in descending order, example IT, HR, and finance, like this, then -2 will do a fast binary search and still return the correct matching name. So in simple words, -2 should also, I mean, only be used if data is sorted in descending order, otherwise avoid it. That is the thing. So let's avoid this and click -1. That's it. So this is all about XLOOKUP. And if we look at the summary right now, summary like why XLOOKUP is better and why it is mostly used by data analytics in today's scenario, I mean today's world, because it works in both direction and no column number needed. You can handle missing value very easily and you can search from bottom to top. So that's XLOOKUP in Excel, a game changer for data analytics. And let me tell you, if you found this useful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more Excel tutorials. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, and happy learning.